Hello guys, welcome back to Nafa MJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about the Lion King. The Lion King is about a lion named Simba who grows up wanting to become the king, just like his father Mufasa, who was later murdered by his uncle Scar because he wants to be the king himself. Then Scar blames Simba for the death of his dad, which becomes the reason why he refuses to come home and do something about it. Simba's new buddies Timon and Pumbaa, a meerkat and a warthog, teach him to forget about what happened to his dead dad, which they have no knowledge of because Simba didn't tell them this, by singing a song about it called Hakuna Matata, and becomes a fully grown adult lion in the process. Simba forgets about his past, or tries to, until he reunites with an adult Nala, who is an old female friend that he hadn't seen since his dad was alive. And she tries to talk some sense into Simba, but this doesn't work. Then he goes to the jungle and meets the crazy baboon who hoisted him in the air when he was born, and he shows Simba his father's ghost in the clouds. The baboon then slaps Simba in the head with a stick, and this finally gives him the courage to come home to reclaim his spot as the king. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.